Hey, what's up, y'all? This video is how to groom your hair and beard. We're going to be using my new product, Dixon'S 1737 men's grooming product for this video. First thing you want to do is grab your Dixon'S 1737 soap and lather up your hands. I recommend going in a circular motion. This is a eucalyptus tea tree soap, which is good for eliminating blackheads. It prevents acne. Also it strips the dirt and oils from your face. The best part about it is this soap smells good. Also have it in peppermint scent as well. Peppermint is great for eliminating blemishes as well. Second step, you want to grab your comb and start combing your beard. This is actually a sandalwood comb. Sandalwood is from the sandalwood Indian tree, but it's good for helping your beard. You stretch it out. You can get all the naps or get the kinks out of your beard. You want your beard to be its fullest before you move to the next step. The third step is to apply your leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner can be used daily. It's actually good because it gives your hair moisture, it shines it, it curls it, provides waves, it repairs damaged hair, and especially good for dry scalp. So if you have a dry scalp, use leave-in conditioner daily and your scalp will be good. Step number 4 is brushing your hair. The most important part about brushing your hair is to go with the grain, especially if you want those 360 waves. If you want those waves, I recommend that you brush your hair 200 times a day, 100 times in the morning and 100 times at night before you go to bed. And the last step is to use my Dixon'S 1737 Miracle Oil. You can use this on your hair, beard, and bald heads. One of the best benefits of it is using it on your beard because it can help your beard grow. It moisturizes it, shines it. If you're having problems and patches in your beard, this will help solve those issues. You ready for the world? Just rub it on your beard. I see you shining, boy. Look at him. He ready to conquer the world. That's going to be you too. Oh, hit him with the look back. Yeah. You can find my Dixon'S 1737 male grooming products at thedixonman.com. It's easy. We ship all over the world, and it's all about men looking good, smelling good, feeling good, and redefining your manhood with Dixon'S.